Yo, Trucker D coming at you from a the Dells Duck Tour. We're down on the Wisconsin River, as you can see. Pretty place down here. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna go snap this camera around and so you guys can see all these cool rock formations. We are literally right on the river.
Alrighty, now these cliffs off either side of the duck today are made out of a very rare sandstone known as Potsdam sandstone. Now this sandstone's so rare it's only found in 4 places in the world. Potsdam, Germany, where it gets its name, Zurich, Switzerland, upstate New York, and the beautiful state of Wisconsin. Very brittle rock, that's why you'll notice all the dark holes along this left-hand cliff face. Those are cliff swallow nests, folks. Cliff swallows migrate to Wisconsin every year from Venezuela. More than welcome, they eat about 2 to 3 times their body weight in mosquitoes every day. Alrighty, folks, straight out in front of us, and you go about to 11 o'clock. There's 2 dead trees on the top of the cliff face over there. There's a bald eagle on top of one of them.